We're going to be doing a 2020 Audi S5. We're going to be working on the rear differential. Alright, so we're going to be locating the fill plug and the drain plug. This right here is the fill plug, and this is the drain plug. So we're going to go ahead and crack loose the fill plug first. Make sure you're able to remove it. Alright. So now we're going to go ahead and completely remove the drain plug. Alright. Okay, so now once it's done draining, we're going to put the drain plug back on. We're going to torque that to 12 foot-pounds. Alright. Back the rear differential, we're going to be using this syringe. If you have a pump, that would be great, better. And basically we're going to be filling in until you see a little stream of fluid coming out, and that's how you know it's topped off. All right, as soon as you start seeing that stream like that, it's ready to go. We're gonna put the plug back in. And we're gonna torque it again to 12 foot-pounds. And that's it. That's how you do a drain and fill on the rear differential.